Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Cameras on. Cameras must be on. Everyone, till question 3rd we have done. Question 4 is also easy, but still we will do it. Okay, because there are some calculations differences, so we will do question 4 also. Otherwise, it is very easy. It is same as the 3rd and 4th. First, second, third, fourth, all are same. Seema, put dot 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 in between, and the last word of this is dupattas. I am going to tell you the page number also. Dupattas. Okay, dupatta. Dupattas के बाद question mark is also there. And it is given on page number 154. I'm telling you the page number 154 also. And this work you have to do in Maths Fair notebook. It's given on Maths Fair notebook. Till Seema, from Seema, it's starting till Dupattas. Page number 154. Everyone, just check it out quickly. Stuti, read the 4th question quickly. Stuti, read the 4th question. Wait a second. Yes, Stuti, open your mic first. Open your mic, beta. Yes. Now read the 4th question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Come closer, beta. Page number 154. 154. Come closer and speak up.
Where the of clothes for our dupatta?
Yes.
How clothes is needed to make 50 such dupattas?
Okay. Seema is the name of a girl. Suppose Seema are you. You are Seema. All of you are Seema. Okay. And you need a dupatta. You all are Seema and you need dupatta. Okay. And your dupatta needs 1 meter 60 centimeter of cloth. That dupatta is how much meter long? 1 meter and 6 centimeter long. Now, if you have to make 16 dupattas like this, what will you do? Same as it is. See, this is one dupatta of yours. Dupatta is like in this way. So Seema is making a dupatta, and that dupatta is 1 meter. I know my drawing is quite bad, so leave it 60 centimeter. This is one dupatta. This is one dupatta. Now Seema wants 16 such dupattas. 15 such dupattas. What should she do? How much cloth is needed for that? Tell me. How will you do it? Raise your hands in the video. Then only I'll ask you the question. Raise your hands in the video. The one who will raise their hand, how will you see? Tell me. Raise your hands in the video itself. Naisha will tell me. Okay, Naisha? How will you do this one?
Ma'am, maybe we'll multiply.
We will multiply what by what?
Ma'am, 1 meter into 15.
One dupatta, length of one dupatta by 15. Okay, Naisha? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, who's going to tell me the first statement? Who is going to tell me the first statement? Arav is going to tell me the first statement. Arav, first statement बताओ जल्दी से, quick. Arav, quick beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the first statement. Arav, बंद कर दिया माइक फिर से. Where are you? Okay. Tell me the first statement of this one.
Okay, ma'am.
Quickly beta. जल्दी बताओ. I'm going to write it down.
Number of cloth.
Number of cloth beta. ये number नहीं है.
No.
This is length. Okay, Arav?
ma'am.
हाँ.
Length of cloth 1 meter 60 centimeter.
Length of which cloth? Length of which cloth is given?
Length of dupatta cloth.
No, length of one dupatta. Only one dupatta. Length of one dupatta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, what is the length of one dupatta?
Ma'am, 1 meter and 60 centimeter.
1 meter and 60 centimeter. Very good. Now we have to calculate for how many dupattas. Length of how many dupattas we have to calculate?
Ma'am, we have to calculate. Ma'am, 5.
5 नहीं है बेटा, 15 है.
Okay, ma'am.
See into the book. 5 dupatta, 15 dupattas is equals to 1 meter 60 centimeter multiplied by 50. Just quickly multiply meter here, centimeters here, 1 meter 60 centimeter, multiply this by 15 quickly. In the same way you have to do it. So length of, so dash cloth is required for, dash cloth is required, this is required लिख लेना, is required, sorry, is required. Required spelling you can see from the book itself. I suppose all of you are having the book, so you can see the book itself. Just do it quickly, quick. Solve the answer.
And the answer is 24 meter.
Okay, beta, first line me tell me what will come here, Samar. What will come in the first line?
0.
0. हाँ, first line बता दो बेटा पूरी. 500, 5 6 are 30, 3 will be carried over here, 5 1s are 8. Am I right, Samarth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now multiply this by 1. Okay, put a cross over here. Don't forget to put a cross over here. 1 0 is a 0. 1 6 is 6. यहाँ पर कोई नहीं लिखेगा. Nobody will write 6 here. Look everyone. Nobody will write 6 here. 6 1s are 6 if it is coming. 1 6 is 6. You have to write 6 here, not here. Okay. 1 1s are 1. 0 0 and 16 plus 8 is total 24. So you will write 24 meter cloth is required. Complete it quickly. Those who have not done it, take a screenshot. Everyone, I'm going to rub this now. Okay. Akshita, आपने 8 add नहीं किया उसमें. जो what the answer you have sent me on WhatsApp. Okay. Now I'm going to rub this. Everyone, I'll send you the answers now. Okay. Before rubbing, let's read the next question. Okay. Minha, better read the next question. Minha, read the next question. Abhi send kar dungi. Don't worry about this question. I'll send this question on WhatsApp. Don't worry about this question. Minha, are you able to hear me? No, she's not able to hear me, I suppose. Minha. Akhya, read the next question. Manya, be quick, okay? Haan, beta. Speak.
We have a rope 25 meter, 35 centimeter long.
Very good.
We cut into 5 equal pieces. What will be the length of each piece?
Very good. Very good. Good. Okay. Now, who is going to explain me? Rishika is going to explain me this question. Jaldi se, Rishika. Explain me this question. Explain me the story of this one. I heard you are a very creative one. Just please explain me the story. What is given the fifth one?
Seema bought this much dupattas.
No, I'm not asking for. I'm not asking for this one. I'm asking for the fifth question. Fifth question.
Okay. We have.
Yes, Alfie, beta, you can leave. Speak. Tell me the story. Tell me the story. Fifth one.
We have a rope 25 meters, 35 centimeters long. We cut it into 5 equal pieces. What will be the length of each piece?
So, beta, I have told you, I already told you, equal, suppose some of you have joined these remedial classes. I told in the remedial classes, equal distribution is known as what? Equal distribution of something is known as divide. When we divide something equally, that is known as divide. Equal distribution of anything is known as divide. So we are dividing this 1 meter rope. Suppose I'm having a 1 meter rope. I don't have a rope. Anybody is having a rope or anything like that with them? किसी के पास है rope? Right now, raise your hand in the camera. If you have rope or something like that with you. Don't worry about this question. I'll send you on WhatsApp. Don't worry about this question. Don't worry about this question. I'll send you. We have, sorry, question 5 it is. Question 5, answer 5. We have dot 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 in between. Get. Yes. ये क्या है Yashmit? What is this? Are you having a rope? Okay, Yashmit. Show us. Unmute yourself, Yashmit. Yashmit is having a rope. Yes. Okay. Let's see. This is the rope Yashmit is having. Okay, Yashmit is having this rope. Everyone can see, I hope. Open this skipping rope. Who is helping you, Yashmit? Who is helping you, Yashmit? Yashmit, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, suppose, leave it, as it is, leave it. ऐसे ही छोड़ दो, leave it. Okay. नहीं, take the rope in your hands. Take it with you, yourself, take it yourself. Yes. Suppose this is the rope Yashmit is having, and this rope is how much meter long? This rope is 25 meter long. Suppose this rope is 25 meter long. Okay, and Yashmit wants to cut this rope. Yashmit wants to cut this rope. Okay, this is a 25 meter long rope and he wants to divide it equally. He wants कि मैं इसके छोटे छोटे pieces कर देता हूँ. Okay, and वो सारी ropes इसको equally चाहिए. And he wants these ropes equally, of equal sizes. And he wants 5 pieces. He wants 5 pieces. What will you do, Yashmit? How will you calculate कि मैं कितने meters के 25 meter की rope है. आपको 5 pieces चाहिए. So how much meter long will you cut? One piece will be long.
5 meter.
5 meter. How have you calculated it?
By dividing.
By dividing what?
By dividing 5 by 25.
See, 5 by 25 means the whole rope you will divide it into 5 equal parts. This is one whole rope in your hand. Show me the rope. Excuse me. Yeah, this is the rope. And you will divide this rope into 5 equal parts. Okay, so you will divide 25 meter rope. This rope is of 25 meter. Excuse me. Into 5 parts. Okay. Okay. So tell me the first statement, Yashmit. What will be the first statement?
The first statement will be length of the rope.
Length of, you can say total length of rope.
Total length of rope.
The total length of rope you can write. What is the first statement? Total length of rope. What is the total length of rope?
The total length of rope is 25 meter, 35 centimeter.
35 centimeter. Okay. Okay. Total length of rope is 25 meter and 35 centimeter. Then second statement.
The second statement will be total length of rope divided by.
No. Beta, see, first statement is the total length of rope we have written. Now we have to divide this rope into 5 equal parts. So length of each piece. Length of
each piece.
Each piece is equals to 25 meter. You can frame your own sentences also if you want. Divided by 5. Okay, now start dividing. Jaldi se complete it. Make 1 meter sign, 1 centimeter sign. ये 25 meter हो गया and this will be 35 centimeters. Start dividing quickly. Start dividing. Rishika done? कनिष्का बेटा ऐसे नहीं लिखते हैं, इसमें लिखते हैं 24 meter and a skipping rope, but I'm bothered to take it. It's all right. It's for the story itself. Whatever given the word problems, that for that you need the rope.
I can't hear you.
Ma'am, you're mute.
Sorry. I'm so sorry, beta. I'm so sorry. Mokshit, what you were saying, I'm so sorry. I was on mute. Mokshit, I was asking what problem are you facing? I'm not able to understand what you have written in the chat box. I'm not. What problem are you facing, Mokshit?
Then first we minus 25. First we write the
Arslan, no
5
need to.
meter in the quotient of meters. Then we minus 25. Then there is only zeros. So we
So
carry
zeros is
2,
coming
but
after
we
zero, then
can't
you
divide
copy
it with
3. Yes,
5.
then you have to put 0 in the. Yes, 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 you are right. Yes, Rishika. Yes, Rishika. Yes, yes. Wait. Yes.
I have done. Can I
Okay, very
send?
nice. Yes. Okay, see here. 5. And what Mokshit is saying, let me tell you what he is saying. Okay. See here, everyone now. Abhi, wait for a minute. I'll ask the questions afterwards. First, look here what I'm trying to tell you. See what Mokshit is asking. I know the answer question. So 5 is 25. Okay. Now he is saying, ma'am, it is coming 0 over here. Okay. Now we copy another number 30. अब बेटा he is saying कि 3 आ रहा है मैम. अब 3 जब 3 5 की टेबल में आना is impossible. So we have to copy another number. But when we copy another number, we have to put 1 0 here in the quotient. I think Mokshit is saying this only. And yes, beta, yes, Mokshit, you were right. You have to put 1 0 here. 0 not here with this one. Because हमने 3 copy किया ना, तो 3 centimeters से copy किया है. तो 3 के ऊपर 0 आएगा. Okay, 3 here. Now we copy another number that is 35. So here it will come 7. 5 sevens are 35, and when you subtract it, it will become 0 as the remainder. So 0 is the remainder here. So quotient will be the answer. So length of each, what will be the length of each piece? So length of each piece will be will be 35 meter, and 707 is 7 centimeter. So you can write 7 centimeter also. Okay, let me check the answers. Yeah, let me check only one answer I'll check. Okay, Shali. Okay. What is this, Rishika? Beta, why are you not dividing it properly? Why are you using this shortcut method? Divide ऐसे होता है या divide के लिए ऐसे वाला sign बनाते हैं? How would you make the sign of divide? Like this or like this? Who told you this one? This question, beta, total rope and it is divided into equal parts. Who told you this thing? Type the chat box. I want to know. Type in the chat box. Who told you this? Who explained you? Okay, just do this quickly. Rishabh, I'm not going to.
Meter of wire equally along 4 customers.
Very
How
good.
much wire will each customer get?
Beta, fifth one is same as the sixth one. So we are not going to do the sixth one, sorry. Because in place of we have a rope ki jagah, shopkeeper ke paas rope hai. Shopkeeper is having a wire. In place of a rope, it is a wire now. And that whole wire, suppose there is one wire shopkeeper is having. This is the wire shopkeeper is having. Okay, let me wait a minute. So shopkeeper is having this much of wire, and this wire is 24 meter and 36 centimeter long. This is the meter and this centimeter long. That is divided among 4 customers. 1, 2, 3. 1 customer, 2 customer, 3 customer, and 4 customer. Equally, it has to be divided, this wire. So what you will do? You will divide 2436 by divided by 4. This we are not going to do. It is same as the previous one. It is same as the fifth one. This total length of rope की जगह total length of wire आ जाएगा. Okay, and length of each piece की जगह उसकी length divided by 4. Same, exactly same it is. Okay, so we are going to do the next question, question number 7. Okay, so question number 7. Okay, question number 7. Today this like period is attended by least number of students. First period में there were so many students, now nobody is. Shaurya, मेरा read the next question number say 7. Sorry, 7. शौर्य फिर म्यूट कर दिया. चलो अच्छा वेट अ मिनट. शौर्य वेट अ मिनट. कनिष्का यू रीड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कनिष्का रीड 7th क्वेश्चन बेटा. अरे you muted yourself. हाँ, now you unmute yourself. Yes beta, speak. Read next question.
A shopkeeper
बेटा 7th वाला
divided
बेटा कनिष्का 7th.
25
कनिष्का 7th.
An athlete ran 8 kilometer 500 meter in 2 days. How much did he run in 1 day?
How many of you like running? How many of you like running? How many of you do the running? You do running? You like running? Very nice. Okay, so all of you are athletes. Okay, Yatharth is athlete, Yashmit is athlete, Minha is athlete. Okay, Jaskaran is athlete. So many students are athlete in the class. Because why? Why you are athletes? Because why you are athletes? Because you are running. Okay, so suppose you are athlete. Those who like running, you are athletes. Yatharth, you don't like running. I'm not saying bicycling, I'm saying for running. You don't like running. You don't like. No, Yatharth don't like. Yatharth like to sleep. Huh? You would like to sleep? Okay, so athlete is there. He ran 8 kilometer 500 meters in 2 days. So what happened to this athlete? He goes, आजकल तो watches भी you have seen ना? Smart watches you have? है ना? Smart watch have you seen? It can show you that how much distance also have you traveled. है ना? In your phone it comes how much distance have you traveled. So that athlete, what he did, he goes there for 2 days. ठीक है? He start running for 2 days, and for in 2 days I run a lot because I'm always lost in my thoughts. Wow, very nice. What kind of thoughts? I want to know about your thoughts, Rishika. It's my deepest this I want to know. I want to know it deeply, that what you want, what you think. Please do share it with me on my personal number, Rishika. I want to know these thoughts. What thinking? What do you think? Please do share it with me. Okay, now see here, rest of the class. Okay, so कनक बहुत जल्दी है क्लास ओवर होने की. 2 minutes रह गए. So what is happening? We will do this question next time. So जल्दी से इसको पहले question कर लेते हैं. I'll explain you afterwards. Okay, I'll explain you afterwards. जल्दी से let us do this question. इसमें divide होगा distance covered in 2 days. Right, distance. I will explain you this question tomorrow, Monday. ठीक है, Monday I'll take one more period. Distance covered in 2 days. Distance covered in 2 days is 8 kilometers and 500 meters. The distance covered in 2 days is this much. Distance covered in 1 day. Jaldi se complete it. I'll explain you afterwards. Distance covered in 1 day is equals to 8 kilometer 500 meters divided by 2. Okay, so I'm dividing it also. What is happening this? My camera is blinking. Yeah. So do it, जल्दी से कर लेते हैं इसको. 1 किलोमीटर का कॉलम बनाओ, 1 मीटर का कॉलम बनाओ. 8 किलोमीटर 500 meters divided by 2, 4s are 8. Subtract it, you'll get 0 here. 5 आ रहा है, so you will put 0 here. Okay, then this 0 here. Then this 0 here. Sorry, 50 आएगा. Sorry. आप 0 put करोगे और 0 copy करोगे. Sorry. 50 आएगा ये. 2. Wait. Sorry. 5 will come here. 2 2s are 4. 0 भी नहीं आएगा यहाँ पर. 2 2s are 4. Subtracted 10. 2 5s are 10. And then you divided 0. Then you copy the 0 here. There it will come. So 4 kilometer, 250 meter. I'll share the answer with you on